Are you struggling to upload a document to LegalZoom for eSignature? Learn the exact steps to do it in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 simple steps, from logging in to successfully saving your file on LegalZoom. Go to the LegalZoom homepage. Click Documents in the left sidebar. Now click on eSignature to proceed. Once there, click on Upload to eSign to start the upload process. You'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. Just make sure the file you select is a PDF. Your file is uploaded and saved on LegalZoom. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.